Yesterday, I did a reel about how most people don't understand the difference between type 1 and type 2, and they think that diet and exercise will get your kid off insulin. And so I kind of went over the mindset of that, but I did want to talk today about diet and exercise. Diet and exercise, eating extremely healthy and being very active is very important for all kids, whether they have diabetes or not. And with a diabetic child, they have an extra battle that they have to overcome. So it's really important that they eat as healthy as possible. Pick good, wholesome, nutritious food. Stay away from all the artificial junk. The artificial sweetener, when it says sugar-free, zero carbs, those artificial sweeteners actually do more harm than good. And a lot of times you think, oh, it's good because they're a diabetic. It's not. It actually does more harm. It prevents the insulin from working correctly. It damages the gut. It damages the brain. It causes depression. It causes obesity.